Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download CATO Butter Cat game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam. And once you search for it, now the Steam website will appear on the top, so just open up the Steam website. And here you will see the login option on the right hand top, so just click on the login option. And guys, here just sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create an account. After that, just click on the start Steam option you are seeing on the top. And guys, here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. After that, just open up the Steam and log into your account, then just click on the top search box. And guys, just type the cat to butter cat and this game will appear on the top, so just open up this game. And guys, here just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. Now, if you want to download a demo version first, just click on the add to library option you are seeing on the first. And once you add it to the library, then just click on the add to cart option. And once you click on that, now click on the option of continue to payment you are seeing here, and then you can just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. So once you pay the amount, then go to the Steam library, and on the left hand side you'll find the Cato game, and just click on this game and then just click on the install. Now it is the demo version, and this is how you can download and install this game. And if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye.